Welcome to the second part of my Project Flintlock video. In this clip I show you how to do some creation kit adjustments, like changing the rifle speed, damage, weight, volume, whatever you want. So here we go. First things first, start the creation kit. Afterwards select load, and in the new window check Skyrim ESM, Dawnguard.bsa and Gozu Project Flintlock ESP. Set my mod as active file and press OK. Afterwards it might load a few minutes and maybe some error messages pop up. Just ignore them and select yes or yes to all. Afterwards, in object window, if there is no visible object window, just select view and press object window. So over here select all and in the filter enter Gozu. And here we go. All forms I edited for my mod. Don't touch the first person forms. They contain the paths to my models. And I guess the most important forms are the weapon forms. One form for each weapon. So let's just start with a simple edit and select the Flintlock animated version without bayonet. I just open the form. And in the new window, don't touch the ID. Here you can change the name, set a new enchantment. Down here is the enchantment charge, the weapon's value, not important. The most important values are weight. Here you can change speed. At the moment it's 1. 1 is about sword speed. The higher the value, the faster the weapon. So 0.8 is mace speed and 1.3 is dagger speed. You can change it to whatever you want. If you want it to be more realistic, like 2 or 3 shots a minute, like a musket, you can select something like 0.6 or 5 maybe, but it will slow down the animation as well. Down here you can change crit damage and the normal damage and the crit multiplier. And over here you see the live damage per second. Here you can change the item's text, art and sound. Don't touch these values. Just over here detection sound level. At the moment the weapon is very loud. You can change it to normal silent. This is just a detection level. It's not the sound, the volume of the weapon itself. I show you how to change the volume in the end. Afterwards just press OK. Next thing you might want to edit over here is Gozu mask. This is the armor form for my mask. You can change name, value, it's quite the same like with the weapon form. Enchantment. Here is armor rating and weight. And the armor template, at the moment it's light, you can change it to heavy or none. The rest is not important. No. And just over here, items text. Press OK. And down here are the recipes to craft the weapon or improve it. So let's just pick a random one like this here, recipe weapon Gozu Flintlock animated version. Here are the items you need to craft the weapon. You can change the quantity. At the moment, let's say ingot steel is 3, you can change it to 1. You can even change the necessary object over here. Let's say I want 1 ingot quicksilver to create a weapon. Or you can simply delete items. And down here are the conditions to craft the weapon. At the moment it's steelsmithing. Double click and over here you can change the perk to, let's say, oakish smithing and press OK. Or you can even delete the condition. Don't touch these values, not important, and press OK. And it's quite the same with temper the weapon. To improve it, just select object, value and condition and press OK. Up here we have the supplies you need to craft ammunition, like black powder. You can change weight or value. Same with the rest, like lead ingot, or is it lead ingot? I still have no idea. It's down here, Gozu ingot. And Yeah, that's it. That's not important, not important, not important, not important. Here are the forms for the ammunition. It's rifle ball and rifle ball invisible. I guess the only important value is damage. At the moment it's set to 10, and now my creation kit is crashing. But yeah, I really don't like to reload the whole thing once again. It takes 5 or 10 minutes to load just my mod. My computer is too slow. So let's do it without creation kit. That sounds funny, yeah. So as I already mentioned, here is ammo. It's still visible. Creation kit is not working anymore. Oh my god. Close the program. No. Okay. So, open goes rifle ball, and here you can change the item text, but the most important value is damage, and afterwards just press OK. And the last important one is it's Gozo projectile over here. Just double click on the form, and in this form you can change values like gravity, speed, reach, and collision data, collision size. At the moment the gravity is set to 10. The normal steel bolt gravity is 0.35. You can play around with these values. Same with speed, whatever you want. I just entered the values I like. It works pretty good in-game. And if you want to change the volume of the weapon, you just have to scroll down. I can't do it at the moment because my creation kit crashed. So normally you can scroll down here, and here's one form that says something like rifle fire, weapon fire. It's the same symbol like Gozo voice. It's a 3 in a green box. It says something like weapon fire. Just double click it, and inside this form are 3 different wave files, 1, 2, 3. And next to this box is a value that says something like 2 dB. You can change this value. The higher the value, the less loud. What is the opposite of loud in English? The quieter. The quieter is the weapon. So at the moment it's set to 2 dB. That's quite loud. You can set it to 0 dB to make it even louder, or you can change it to something like, say, 10 dB or 15 dB to make the whole weapon quieter. I don't like this word. It sounds strange. Whatever. Okay, this was my creation kit video. Let's say at least the first half was about the creation kit. The second part was about the crashed creation kit. And I hope I mixed nothing up in my mind, but I guess normally it's correct what I just told you. If not, then just I don't care. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope it it was a creation kit tutorial with a crash creation kit. But I'm not in the mood to do the whole thing once again. Okay, I hope it helped you, and if you have any questions, just spam my comment section with all the okay, just do it, okay. See you around and have a nice day, whatever. Ciao.